is also a teacher.
My name is Ashwini. I am come from Kerala, Kozhikode district.
Here is the latest model of geothermal power plant, the binary cycle. Then, as we know that nowadays we are living in the world of energy crisis. Now we would like to demonstrate how to use geothermal energy in most eco-friendly and cost-effectively. Also we know that about the surface of the earth, 2000-3000 meter depth, we have high temperature water with high pressure. We are extracting that water in production well and allow it to pass through an heat exchange. Then that heat will exchange to the other pipe, which is filled with an organic vapor called isobutane. It has low melting point. The isobutane melting point is 67 degrees Celsius. Then when the heat absorbed, it will easily vaporized. We use that vapor and we use it to inject that turbine, the vapor into the turbine. Then we can generate the power. Our first step to create the electricity we have done here. Then we allow that vapor to pass through a condenser. That in the third stage there is a pipe filled with water. The water, that heat will exchange through that water. Then we can get the heated water without the help of any fuel. Then we can replace that fluid with a compressor motor into the earth and maintain the water level. Here there are so many advantages. Significant cost saving. It has only initial expenses only. It is a cycle. Then, unlike to other.
I have one question here. What is the power you can produce?
Electricity.
How much power you can generate from this?
Depending
Capacity of
plant is depending to the capacity of plant.
I didn't get it.
It is depending to the capacity. There are so many types of geothermal
Okay,
power.
let me know in the order, guess some number.
25 megawatt. Yes.
Are you sure?
Yes.
I just wanted to figure out, you said 25 megawatt. At least I wanted to know what a single watt can do. You have an idea?
What is single?
What a single watt can do?
What
Because
can
you are talking about megawatts.
Megawatts.
25 megawatts. I don't want 25 megawatt to be known to you. At least 1 megawatt, okay. No, it's too big. At least 1 watt. What a single watt can do. How will you make me understand this?
a single watt can do our homemade purpose. What?
It is for sure. You never expected this question. And you made all this big project, but not having an idea that what you are going to do with the project.
Yes, we have an idea, but we have.
Because ultimately you are talking about generating power.
We have a communication.
I understand. You are trying to explain so much. But it's conceptually you are trying to explain, but not really bothering about the calculations. Science with no maths is no point. Say agreed or not? So when are you going to gear up yourself to that calculations required?
Maybe tomorrow.
Okay? Be in touch. If not, learn. If you don't get anywhere, at least talk to me.